Hi there, welcome to accounting lecture. You can see behind me there is a church, Edmonton, North London, and at the back there is a school, Islewood School, and over here there's a theatre, Millfield Theatre. Well, the question is, the building behind me is the land as well. You can see land and building. Let's talk about land and building. Tell me, is that debit or credit? What do you think? Let's walk and talk. Land and buildings. You have got 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope that was not so quick. Okay, so the building behind me, what did you say? Debit or credit? Is this an expense, an asset, liability, drawings, capital, an income? Yeah, what do you say about the building? It's such a big church in North London, Edmonton, and the cars going behind me. Yeah, you got it right. Building, land and building is a debit item. Why? Because this is an asset. That's 1 minute, a little bit more than that from London. See you in another video. Bye.